ALDI Mobile Error 2106 is a payment timeout issue, meaning your transaction didn't complete within the expected time frame. This is often due to network problems, server overload, or temporary glitches within the ALDI mobile app itself. The most common immediate fixes include ensuring a stable internet connection, switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if one works better. Force stopping and restarting the ALDI mobile app clears temporary glitches, and verifying that your payment information like card details or ALDI gift card balance is accurate and up to date within the app. If basic troubleshooting fails, try clearing the ALDI mobile app's cache. This removes potentially corrupted temporary files that could cause error 2106. Contact ALDI Mobile customer support for personalized assistance. Server-side issues like payment gateway problems may require their intervention. To avoid error 2106 in the future, use the ALDI mobile app during off-peak hours when server load is lower. ALDI has been integrating AI-driven diagnostics to predict and prevent payment timeouts automatically. By 2026, biometric payment options like fingerprint or facial recognition may become common, minimizing human error in transactions. For now, ensure you have a stable network connection and keep the ALDI mobile app up to date to minimize error 2106 occurrences.